Hello again, superstars. Welcome back to the Bhasha Bridge. You already know the vowels and the five consonant groups. Amazing work. Today we finish the whole Kannada alphabet with the last special letters. I make these for my son and for every kid learning with us. Ready? Let's finish strong. So, what will we learn today? The last 11 Kannada letters in three little groups: the gliding semivowels, the hissing sibilants, and a few special letters. Each one gets a sound and a funny picture. Finish these and you'll know the whole Kannada alphabet. Here's how you become a Kannada star on Yuptira in 3 easy steps. Step 1, watch this video. Step 2, open the Kannada pronunciation page and tap the little speaker on each letter so you hear it in real Kannada. Practice until it's perfect. Step 3, take the fun quiz to test yourself and climb the leaderboard. Watch, practice and play. That's all. One quick thing. These letters don't fit the 5 groups, so we call them the special consonants, avargiya. Some glide softly, like ya and v. Some hiss, like sh and s. And a few are one of a kind, like ksha and gnya. Let's meet all 11. First, the semi-vowels. Soft gliding sounds that flow like water. Ya, r, l, v. Let's meet them. Meet ya. Say ya, like the Y in yard. Say it with me. Ya, ya, ya. Ya gives us yan, which means a journey. Off we go. Vroom. Ya for yan. Meet r. Say r with a soft rolling tongue. R. Say it with me. R, r, r. R gives us Ratha, a grand chariot rolling along. R for Ratha. Meet L. Say L like the L in lamp. Say it with me. L, L, L. L gives us lot, a little pot or vessel for water. L for lot. Meet V. Say V, a soft sound between V and W. Touch your lip gently. V. Say it with me. V, V, V. V gives us Vahana, which means a vehicle. Beep beep. V for Vahana. Next, the hissing sounds, the sibilants. Sh, sh, s, h. Listen for the s and sh. Now the hissing sounds. Meet sh. Say sha like the sh in ship. Shh. Say it with me. Sh, sh, sh. Sh gives us shale, which means school where we learn and play. Sh for shale. Here's sh, a harder sh. Curl your tongue back and say sh. Say it with me. Sh, sh, sh. Sh gives us Shatkona, a hexagon, a shape with 6 pointy corners. Sh for Shatkona. Meet S. Say S, like the S in sun. S. Say it with me. S, S, S. S gives us Surya, which means the sun, bright and warm. S for Surya. Meet her. Say ha, a soft breath, like when you laugh. Ha. Say it with me. Her, her, her. Her gives us hoo, a pretty flower. Sniff, sniff. Her for hoo. Last 3 special one of a kind letters. Lada, ksha, dnya. The grand finale. Now 3 special letters. Meet L, a hard la. Curl your tongue back and say L. Say it with me. L, L, L. L hides in Halli, which means a village, a little home in the countryside. L in Halli. Meet Ksha. Say K and Sh together quick. Ksha. Say it with me. Ksha, Ksha, Ksha. Ksha gives us Kshira, which means milk. Glug glug, all gone. Ksha for Kshira. Our very last letter, Jna. Say G and Nya together. Dnya. Say it with me. Dnya, dnya, dnya. Dnya gives us dhyana, which means knowledge, being super clever, just like you. Dnya for dhyana. Woohoo, you did it! You just learned the last 11 Kannada letters. The semi-vowels ya, ra, la, va, the sibilants sh, sh, s, h, and the special letters la, ksha, dnya. That means you now know the whole Kannada alphabet, every vowel and every consonant. You are a true Kannada star. Give yourself the biggest clap ever. Now it's your turn. Go to Yuktira, practice on the Kannada pronunciation page, and take the quiz. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one on one connect. One last thing before you go. If these videos helped you learn Kannada, please subscribe to the Bhasha Bridge. We're bridging India's languages one fun video at a time. I make these for my son and for every child who finds languages hard. Yes, that means you. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.